Hello and welcome to How to Play Baby Shark on the guitar in under 1 minute. First, we're going to take your guitar and plug it into the amp. Put the strap around your shoulder. Turn on the amp. It's important to do that after you plug it in. Take a look at the 6 strings we have, low E, A, D, G, B, and high E. Baby Shark is going to be all on the high E string. That's 0. When we put down one finger in first position, it's here. We're going to call this one second position, so the pointer finger goes there, 2, 3, and 4. And Baby Shark starts like this. 0, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, again. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 0, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3. And you do it a bunch of times. For more of the easiest way to play and learn guitar for beginners, come visit my site at exactnotes.com.